Introducing the GraphicsFlow July 2024 Art Drop. For July, we're starting out with sports. We've included 2 new football designs, including a dueling helmet design, as well as a retro football layout. And we've also included a classic circular design with athletic text, as well as a repeat pattern with the name of the mascot. We've also included some generic sports designs in classic athletic styles, including a letter with a simulated stitch pattern. Moving on from sports, we've included 3 new spiritwear designs, including a mascot repeat design with a weathered effect, a classic 3 stripes athletic look, as well as a new take on an athletic tail. The activities section includes a classic cheer design with a multi-layer text effect, a color guard design using a color block technique, as well as another variation on an athletic tail for marching band. The clubs and organizations section includes a student council design in a circular format using athletic text as well as a classic mascot. We've included a vintage yearbook design with a weathered effect, as well as a science club design that incorporates a mid-century theme. The farm and ranch section includes a variety of illustrated clip art images, and also Western fonts are incorporated into the templates. We've also included a variety of weathered effects to give these templates a vintage look. We've included an event section centered around organic themes. We've incorporated fall colors, and we also included a homecoming design that has scroll work, giving it a vintage look. Wrapping up July, we've included 2 designs with a 70s Southwestern look. This look is popular in home decor and has also worked its way into vintage graphic tees. The text, colors, and clip art in a template are placeholders. It's easy to take any design, including this 70s Southwestern design, and localize it for a new theme with new colors, new text, and a new layout. There are limitless possibilities with the templates in GraphicsFlow. We've also added 2 new features to GraphicsFlow. If you go to My Team and you select your user, you can now add your department or your role within the organization. We've also updated permission levels for user accounts. If I invite a new team member, I can assign a permission level as admin, member, or support. Admins have full access to stock art, my art, and art approvals. They can view and edit all organizational level settings, including the ability to modify billing settings, purchase upgrades, manage teammates, and more. Members have full access to stock art, my art, and art approvals. They can also access account settings, but are not able to view or edit policies and disclaimers or plans and billing. They can invite other members or support users, but they cannot remove teammates. Support users have access to stock art, my art, and art approvals. However, they're not able to delete files or art approvals. Support users cannot manage other teammates, and they're not able to access any organizational level settings. At any time, you can demote or promote a user by selecting on the 3 dots and selecting an option. You can grant access to anyone on your team without the risk of having them delete any files or approvals from your account.